Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how to read a file. So the best way to read a file depends on the file size and whether you need to parse its data or just read it as raw text. So basically the simplest uh, method is and the most conscious way to read an entire file into a single string or a list of lines is using the java.neo.file.files. So to read entire string, you will need string right here, string content, then files.readString in parentheses path.get, and then you will put in file name. So we put here at the beginning the global variant, so string file name is sample.txt. So I have here my sample text right here. Then the next method, which I can tell you right now, is basically a scanner. So java.util.scanner. So convenient for parsing content or reading line by line. And this one is right here. So scanner. So we have this one right here. The whole. I will show you here the whole. Sorry, this one. So scanner, which I'm now highlighting. So this is also good for if your file contains specific data types like integers or doubles, separated by spaces or commas. Use the scanner class. And yeah, and also then we have the third option, which is buffer reader. So traditional and highly effective for large files. And yeah, for very large files, you will use this kind of method, so buffer reader, to avoid loading the entire content into your computer's RAM. And so it's highly efficient due to its 8 kilobytes internal buffer. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.